In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image's background transparent in Google Slides. This is a great skill to have, especially when you want your presentations to look sleek and professional. Whether you're working on a school project, corporate presentation, or just polishing up your slides, knowing how to adjust image transparency can make a significant difference. First, let's start by talking about how to get your image onto the slide. Go to the top menu and click on Insert, then go to Image and select the option that best fits where your image is coming from. It could be from your device, Google Drive, or even a direct search from the web. Once you've chosen your image, it will appear right on your slide. Click on the image to select it. This is your starting point for making any modifications. Now that you have your image selected, the next step involves opening the Format options. This is where all the magical adjustments happen. You can access Format options by either right-clicking directly on the image and choosing Format options, or by locating the Format options button, which looks like a small paint roller icon on the toolbar at the top. Clicking on this will open a panel usually on the right-hand side of your screen. Within this Format options panel, you're going to see a section labeled Adjustments. Click on Adjustments, and there you'll find a transparency slider. This is the key tool for our task. As you move the slider to the right, you'll notice the image becoming more transparent. You can adjust it to a level that suits your specific needs. This tool allows you to make the background as subtle or as visible as you like, which can really help the other elements on your slide pop. In some cases, after adjusting the transparency, you might find that the image overlaps with other elements. This is where layering comes in handy. If your newly transparent image is covering important text or visuals, you can simply right-click the image, select Order, and then click Send to Back. This action effectively places the image behind other objects, allowing everything else on your slide to stand out. If you're working with a consistent theme across your presentation and want to apply the transparency adjustment to similar images on other slides, you have the option to apply this change to the entire theme. Right-click the image again and select Theme. And if you prefer to apply it only to slides with no other elements in the background, choose Blank. This consistency can provide a unified look and feel to your entire presentation. By following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly adjust the transparency of an image's background in Google Slides. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment and see what works best for your specific project. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.